Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks. I'm your host, David Edwards, and today we're going to use these to make the 1970s version of the Tequila Sunrise. But first, this. Let's get into the history of the Tequila Sunrise. The version that everybody's familiar with is from the early 1970s. In 1972, for a private party for the Rolling Stones, it was the kickoff tour in the US, this drink was made and introduced to Mick Jagger. After that, it became the go-to drink for the Rolling Stones. Now in film, the only reference I can find is Tequila Sunrise from 1988. It starred Mel Gibson, Michelle Pfeiffer, oh yes, and Kurt Russell. Let's get into making the Tequila Sunrise. So, I need my Collins glass, and I need some ice. Damn it, wrong size. Okay, so for this we need 2 ounces of white tequila. Here's I'm using a Jose Cuervo's Especial. And I need 4 ounces of orange juice. That's a lot of orange juice. Where's my flipping jigger? It's right in front of me. Duh. All right, so got some oranges here. And this is the wrong squeezer because it probably won't fit. Because I don't think... All right, pause it. And through the magic of movie television, I've got my oranges squeezed in. Okay, and then what I need is a half an ounce of Grenadine, and I have to actually float this. Okay, and I'm using Rose's Grenadine here, and half an ounce before I spill it. Now, the way that we're going to do this is we're going to turn my bar spoon upside down. I'm going to rest it right here, and I'm gently just going to float it down on the ice. And it's now going to do its thing and give us that beautiful sunrise look that we need. And of course, we have to garnish this with a piece of orange and a maraschino cherry. Da, da, da. This orange looks so much nicer than the one I just squeezed. And I need 1 maraschino cherry. My jar's getting a little light here on cherries since I threw them all over the table a couple episodes ago. I'm going to put a slight cut in this, and we're going to put this here, and this right behind, and we have a beautiful tequila sunrise. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Try this recipe and tell me what you think, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. But you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to taste it and see what it tastes like. I'm not a tequila fan, as you guys will know, or have figured out by now, because I'm throwing it all over the place. So let's just, I can smell a lot of orange from the orange juice, a little bit of cherry. I don't notice the tequila smell too much. That's pretty good, actually. I could call this an A-list drink. Definitely the fresh, you know what, let's try this properly. The sunrise is now An explosion. Oh yeah, that makes it even better. None of that fancy garnish crap. Okay, so I'm gonna put the description down below. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like the video, and hit the bell so you can actually get the notification whenever new content comes up. But if you don't like this video, hit the thumbs down button twice, and we'll see you next time.